Moving on to the comments section. AutoSocial collects and analyzes interactions from all your connected social media platforms in one place. At the top, you can see a complete comment analysis where comments are automatically categorized as positive, neutral, or negative. This helps you quickly understand audience sentiment and measure engagement quality. The negative comment section is especially powerful. It helps you strategically handle tough feedback. While human responses can sometimes be driven by emotion, AI ensures replies remain professional, calm, and to the point, always protecting your brand image and core values. You can also view interactions by platform, making it easy to see where conversations are happening the most. Below that is the AI comment management section. Here, AutoSocial generates smart, AI-powered replies in real time. Comments are organized into pending review, approved, and posted, giving you full control before anything goes live. You can review each comment, approve the AI-suggested response, or make edits based on your brand tone. At the bottom, you'll find all collected comments listed by platform, along with sentiment labels and timestamps. This makes it easy to manage conversations, respond faster, and maintain a consistent brand voice across all social channels.